welcome you all for today's session. Case study on Chernobyl disaster. It's a professional ethics. The Chernobyl disaster is a biggest accident happened in a atomic plant in Ukraine. The place Chernobyl. So before we move to the Chernobyl is a man-made disaster in a human history. The before that, where we must know where is the Chernobyl. The Chernobyl is present in Ukraine. So Chernobyl was built in 1978 to 1979 at Chernobyl. This is the location of the Chernobyl. Okay. So how the where it is located, how the operations will be planned based upon the location. So in the background we have a reactor called RBMK reactor. There is a Russian acronym translated roughly means reactor. There is a high power channel reactor. This is the inner construction about Chernobyl. RBMK reactor. So we are going to see the structure of RBMK reactor. This is the how the RBMK reactor is fixed in the Chernobyl plant. This is the outer and inner part of the fuel assemblies. These are some other parts used in this Chernobyl reactor plant scenario. The reaction have the uranium fuel becomes hot. If the water is pumped to the core, pumped through the core in a pressure tubes, removes the heat from the fuel. The water is then boiled into the steam. The steam turns to turbines. The water is then cooled. This process will be repeated in the Chernobyl plant. But what happened means there are four cooling fuels in this plant, but one of the cooling part is damaged because of human error. There is a non-quality products, and also initial stage itself the human will not consider it as a serious. That's the reason for this main reason for the disaster. So day of disaster. The disaster start from the 25th April at 1 p.m. 1 a.m. itself. It will be started, and then it will continue up to 26th April 1986. These are the timing where how it will be the attack will be started. After that is after the Chernobyl disaster, it will be looks like this. So there is an outer part before disaster. These are the before disaster. What are the human errors? Isolation of emergency core cooling system. Okay, unsafe amount of control rods withdrawn. Connection of 4 main cooling pumps to the right to left to the system. From the 4 main cooling pumps, one is damaged. So because of that, entire plant got disaster. So mental model, and then overconfidence. Then electrical engineer on site for an electrical test. No confirmation of cues obtained from the system. Initially itself it will be taken as a serious means. It will not be become this much problem. We can avoid this disaster. Accident prevention methods. What are the accident prevention methods taken? System analysis. Use of the graphic as a moderator. Lack of well-built containment structure. Okay, the analysis of this disaster is about a graphite as a we use the graphic as a moderator, and the well-built containment structure, lack of well-built containment structure, inadequate instrumentation and alarms for emergency situation. There was no physical controls that prevented the operators from the operating reactor. So summary of facts is about So April 26, 1986, Chernobyl nuclear power plant have operated errors caused reactor explosion. The people 7 million in the containment areas and 3 million were children there. Then wind. It is a carries radiation far distance. So for the how much distance the air got polluted is shown in this radiation fallout. And direct casualties. Direct casualties is the employees and the 10 kilometers surrounding people affected by direct casualties. Indirect casualties, the children and other through the wind It will cause a higher number of suicide and violent death among firemen, policemen, and other recovery workers. Environment impact. Areas still impacted today. Soil still now. Okay, groundwater, air, and then food, the crops and lifestyle. It's the disaster is like a Hiroshima Nagasaki disaster. So the soil still now, the groundwater, there is no groundwater there, the soil get damaged, it not used for agriculture. These are the impact by the Chernobyl disaster. See how it will be handled. So how it will affect the human body, what are the it will affect the human body and the surroundings. Problems today, the sarcophagus falling apart. So recommendation, the proper standard operating procedure for both normal and emergency situation, and always have a reactor expert on site. Have operators confirm any cues from the systems before making the hypothesis or take action. So we get conclusion from this. The human have frequently monitor the all the device, all the instruments or reactors, to check whether the condition is good or not. At least weekly once, madam, may have a weekly once they have a survey, they have a testing all the instruments, what are the major instruments or minor instruments, whether it's a small change, whether it's a small problem, it will be rectified within a second or within a week. Then this will help to avoid the disaster in the future. Okay, so this is the conclusion from the case study. Thank you.